Welcome to Financial Journey, where we explore practical strategies to help you achieve your financial goals. Today, we'll be diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: paying off debt faster. Whether it's student loans, credit card debt, or a mortgage, we'll show you some proven strategies to get those burdens off your shoulders. So let's get started. You're living in your dream house, but there's a hefty mortgage weighing you down. Or maybe it's those credit card bills that just won't quit. We've all been there. But guess what? There's hope. Our first strategy is the debt avalanche. This method involves paying off the highest interest rate debts first, which can save you a lot of money in the long run. Next up, we have the snowball method. This is all about the psychological win of paying off small debts first. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, gaining momentum. Understanding your debt-to-income ratio is crucial. It helps you see the big picture of your financial health and plan your debt payoff effectively. Real-life success stories can be incredibly motivating. Meet Sarah, who paid off her student loans in just 3 years. There are some fantastic apps out there to help you budget, track your debt, and even automate your payments. Let technology be your ally. We spoke to renowned financial experts who shared their insights on paying off debt faster. Remember, knowledge is power. Time is of the essence. The sooner you start implementing these strategies, the faster you'll be on your way to financial freedom. There you have it, folks. Strategies that work when it comes to paying off debt faster. It's time to take control of your financial future. Subscribe to Financial Journey for more expert tips, and remember, your journey to financial freedom starts now. Thank you for joining us today on Financial Journey. Until next time, take those steps toward a debt-free, stress-free future. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share this video with your friends and family. Goodbye.